I want balloons, pizza, cupcakes, and a magician.
We better check the budget before we invite the magician with a pet raccoon.
You're using that spreadsheet thing?
Yep. I made columns for items, quantity, cost per item, and total.
Hello, kids! This is your Captain AHS. Ever wonder how computers help people run shops, plan parties, or keep scores in games? Spreadsheets are like magical tables that can add, subtract, and do the math for you. Let's discover how a few simple clicks and formulas can turn numbers into superpowers.
Welcome to Saro's Sweet Cafe! Today's menu has lemonade, cookies, and rainbow muffins. Thanks, Chef MIna. I'm using a spreadsheet to keep track of our pretend money. What's a spreadsheet? It's like a magic table on the computer. I type how many cookies we sell and how much they cost. The spreadsheet does the math. Like a robot calculator? Exactly. Watch this. If we sell 5 cookies at $2 each, I type is equal to 5 times 2 in one cell. And poof! It says $10. Whoa! Can it add too? Totally. If we sell lemonade too, I just do equals 10 plus 6 and write a proper formula as I am doing it on the spreadsheet. It tells me we made $16 in total. This cafe is powered by cookies and formulas. I want balloons, pizza, cupcakes, and a magician.
We better check the budget before we invite the magician with a pet raccoon.
You're using that spreadsheet thing?
Yep. I made columns for items, quantity, cost per item, and total. Then I used formulas to multiply. Like this, balloons, 10x $1 equals $10.
Oh. So column A has the items, B has how many, C has price, and D does the magic?
Exactly. I typed equals B2 asterisk C2 and D2, and it calculated for me. You can even drag the formula down and it works for the whole list.
No more paper mess. This party is gonna be high-tech. I want to make the scoreboard fun, but I also want to know who wins fastest.
Easy peasy. I'll show you how to use advanced formulas on the spreadsheet.
Advanced like what? Rocket launch buttons.
Not quite, but close. We'll use some to add up scores, average to see who's steady, and max to find the top scorer.
What do you type for that?
Like this. Equals sum, B2, B6, add scores from B2 to B6. Equals average, B2, B6, finds the average, and equals max, B2, B6, gives us the highest score.
So the spreadsheet is like a scoreboard manager and referee.
Exactly. And no one can argue with formulas.
Now it's time for the quiz. What does is equal to 5 times 2 calculate? Option A, adding 5 and 2. Option B, subtracting 2 from 5. Option C, multiplying 5 by 2. Option C, multiplying 5 by 2. What symbol do spreadsheet formulas always start with? Option A, dollar. Option B, equals. Option C, hashtag. Option B, equals. Which function finds the biggest number in a list? Option A, max. Option B, sum. Option C, ADD. Option A, max. Which function adds up a range of numbers? Option A, low. Option B, sum. Option C, average. Option C, sum. What do spreadsheets help you do? Option A, draw cartoons. Option B, cook food. Option C, do calculations easily. Option C, do calculations easily. Now that we've mastered basic calculations on spreadsheets, you're officially a spreadsheet superhero. But guess what? Spreadsheets can do more than just math. They can help you organize tons of information like a pro. In our next adventure, we'll explore how to use spreadsheets for organizing data like schedules, checklists, and more. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.